अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन हांणी 2026-27चो केंद्रीय अर्थसंकल्प सादर केलो। या अर्थसंकल्पात नाल उत्पादना खातीर वेगवेगळ्या उत्पादन पद्दतींच्या माध्यमांतल्यान उत्पादन वाडोवपा खातीर आनी उत्पादकता सुदारपा खातीर नाल प्रोत्साहन येवजण चालीक लायतले। तशेंच भारताक काजू उत्पादनातूय स्वावलंबी करपा खातीर खासा येवजण आखतले।
India will continue to take confident steps towards Vikasit Bharat, balancing ambition with inclusion. As a growing economy with expanding trade and capital needs, India must also remain deeply integrated with global markets, exporting more and attracting stable long-term investment. Several innovative ideas were shared with our Prime Minister, which have inspired many of the proposals, making this a unique Yuva Shakti-driven budget. Biopharma Shakti, meaning biopharma strategy for health advancement through knowledge, technology and innovation. I propose the Biopharma Shakti with an outlay of 10,000 crores over the next 5 years. The scheme for rare earth permanent magnets was launched in 2025 November. Textile expansion and employment scheme to modernize traditional clusters with capital support for machinery, technology upgradation and common testing and certification centers. Samarth 2.0 to modernize the upgrade the textile skilling ecosystem through collaboration with industry and academic institutions. I propose to set up mega textile parks in challenge mode. They can also focus on bringing value addition to technical textiles. Operationalize 20 new national waterways over the next 5 years. Starting with National Waterways 5 in Orissa to connect mineral-rich areas of Talcher and Angul and industrial centers like Kalinga Nagar to the ports of Paradeep and Dhamra. A dedicated program is proposed for Indian cashew and cocoa to make India self-reliant in raw cashew and coconut production and processing, enhance export competitiveness, and transform Indian cashew and Indian cocoa into premium global brands by 2030. On the sale of overseas tour program package from the current 5% and 20% to 2% without any stipulation of amount. I propose to reduce TCS rate for pursuing education and for medical purposes under the Liberalized Remittance Scheme, popularly known as LRS.